Verstappen. They came, they saw, and he conquered.
I'm damage to the front wing.
Do you need to box?
Yeah, I don't know.
Stay out. Unless you've got big damage.
You suddenly press the brake. Make a picture on the straight.
Darren, it's Tom. Sorry, Carlos.
Hello, Tom. I'm Darren.
Oh, the engine died.
Completely.
Just locked the back axle. It's like pulling the handbrake on. It's not his fault.
Engine stopped broken. I mean, I don't know what happened. Guys, we need to box. We need to box. When I went for the button to switch the car on again, my seat belts are off now. So when I brake, I'm moving quite a bit. I mean, I don't mind, but I'm pretty sure nobody will be happy me driving without seat belts. So.
Copy.
Okay, look out for Stroll now, starting a time lap.
Yeah, no, him. He also my lap, so he can wait as well.
1 year later.
He complains about people blocking him all the time. He's not any better.
Oh, mate, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Yep. Are you okay, man? Yeah, I'm okay. I tried the outside gear, we lost it a bit, and then I got the dirt here. That's it.
Okay, man. It's okay. So just remember to go to P0.
Guys, massive crash. Massive crash. I spun.
Are you okay? Are you okay?
I cannot believe.
What do you think about going to the end with these tires?
I have did this before. Now I've been pushing for 3 laps.
Understand, we are just checking.
It depends. Yeah. Okay, here's the task for you. What do I have to do to stay ahead?
Need 23.4, 23.5 till the end.
I can do that. I'll just try, we've got nothing to lose.
We are P5, that's what I was asking for.
He saw me. He pushed me off.
We have seen it. He pushed you. We are reporting to the steward. Give us more details, Kevin.
He just went on the grass to try. He's crazy. He just went on the grass. He could have taken both out.
Yeah, and understood. Calm down, please calm down. We are reporting to the steward. We saw everything. It's pretty clear.
Gap is just starting to close a little bit on Lewis.
Yeah, I know, but he's just driving super slow.
7 is horrible now.
That's increasing tailwind through turn 7. Entry to exit.
Tailwind, I don't care. Just tires. There's nothing left. You want me to repeat it again? This tire is dead.
You don't need to repeat again, Max.
I'm losing so much time. Who cares if I did it properly? I easily passed it.
So obviously we're nowhere near undercut range to Lewis, so control the peaks early on. I'll keep you posted on Bottas this time.
No, but how about we just focus on our race first, yeah? Instead of looking for Lewis. Because clearly on the soft tire we were not as fast as them. So we just make sure we do our job and let them do their job.
Get your head down, Max, please.
Kevin, the message from Gunter to both drivers is to calm down. So both drivers calm down.
Yeah, absolutely. But I
Understood, yeah.
really tires. If I jump behind him, I'll jump behind everyone.
We need to hold station for now, mate. Hold station. We just need to calm down. If you do it, it has to be clean.
Kevin, the first one to come and see is me, please.
Sure, no problem.
Romain, this is Gunther. I will sort this out. Stay calm, come back easy. You know, just We speak afterwards, but please stay calm. Thank you.
The engine was good, much slower than before. Amazing.